Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'm out in Rangsit, a place called Future Park. It's bloody boiling today, so we're going to go in there, get some aircon and get something to eat. Come on, let's go. So this place looks absolutely massive. I've not been here for over 10 years. Anyway, we're going to go and get something nice to eat. So it's about 12:30 on a Friday afternoon. I am absolutely starving. Really am. So the first place I see is I get here, eat them. I really love the hamburgers in here. Anyway, over here, got plenty of street food. Let's go and have a quick walk through. I've got music playing down here, so I don't know if I'll get copyright or not. I'm not sure. Oh, I'm really hungry. I think we're just going to go and find an all-you-can-eat restaurant or something like that, I think. Alright, too much music in here. Got no idea where I am going. Some restaurants over this way, but I think if we go down in the basement, there's a bit more food there. I've just seen this one. Buffet. That's going up though. We've got another YouTuber there. I think. We've got a nice camera anyway. We're going to go up here. Let's see what the price is. It says $329, but up there $299. Anyway, up we go. Tell you what, it smells good. Ooh, I don't even know what kind of food this is. I think it's like a hot pot, I'm not sure. But anyway, it smells fantastic. Okay, I'm in. Let's go and have a look what we have. You've got 1.5 hours to eat as much as you like. So we have sushi, some kind of noodles up there. In here, oh, you've got your kimchi. That smells good actually. This is the, yeah. Oh, that looks good. I might have a couple of them. Not so much that one. That's what they are there. This guy's cooking up the noodles, you see. Some eggs. Alright, dipping sauces. I don't know how this works. You just put that in a plate here. I'm not sure. Anyway. Oh, I like these. And there, you get rice. So, names up there of that looks a little bit sweet. That looks good though. Oh, look at that. And that one as well. Oh. And this is all your meats. Some good stuff up here. Okay, so I've got that. I've just eaten one of them. They are absolutely lovely. A big plate of pork. And I've put some vegetables in there already. What we have to do is get some of that pork in there as well. I think we need to add noodles. I don't really know what I'm doing here. Okay, so I've got a bowl of this sauce now. What you're supposed to do is add that in there. Just like that. Then noodles in there. This is my first time doing this, so it's going to be spicy as well, man. Right, we need some pork in there. I'm just going to use these chopsticks, and I'll go and get some more chopsticks in a minute. So this is pork straight in there. Boom. These chopsticks are a bit weird. I don't like the metal chopsticks. I prefer the wooden ones. This is pork belly, this bit. Come on. Yeah, these chopsticks are not very easy to use. I'm just going to throw it all in a minute. There we go. Boom. Sausages. A couple of hot dog sausages things. Right, we're going to leave that for a minute. And we're going to get stuck in with this. I've even got an egg. These little pork burger things. Onion ring, gyoza, kimchi, and some chicken. Let's get stuck into that. Right, fork. And little burger things. Ooh. That's really good. Yeah, I like ham. I could eat ham all day long. You need them pincher things, don't you? Get this out. Making the right mess, this is. Anyway, gyoza. Not bad. Not the best I've had. Alright then. Try this piece of chicken. I think it's chicken. I found out. Not the greatest. I'm looking forward to this. Not much chicken in there. I prefer the little pork burgers. The kimchi's nice. These eggs are already boiled. So I'm guessing what we have to do now, look at the size of that. Get that in there like that. Ooh, not had anything like this for ages. That's looking really spicy. Look at that, look. Some of that pork. Look at that. Oh yeah. A bit of an egg first. Just an egg. That is good. Oh, I like that. That sauce is a bit spicy. You can choose your own spiciness. A bit of pork. This is really good. These noodles They're lovely. This is definitely worth checking out, guys. This is great. This really is. Need to turn this down. Yeah, there's a button at the on the side of a desk there. There's getting too many bubbles in there. Spot on that. Get the rest of that pork in there, eh? Just throw it all in. Throw it all in. Turned the temperature down too low now, haven't I? Anyway, let's give it a mix. Just leave that to simmer for a bit. Oh, with another sausage there. Oh, this is lovely. Wow. Wish I had one of these near my home. I'd be going all the time. I tell you what, the longer you leave it, the better it tastes. This bowl here now, oh, it's absolutely lovely. Wow. I can't make this up. Oh, the noodles. The sauce. I'm going to have another bowl of this. Ooh. Going to get some more pork as well. The pork is lovely. Forgot about the onion ring. They're a bit cold. That's awful. That's disgusting, that. Really cold. Not eating that. I do like these though. Maybe we can stick some lemon there. Look at that. You're getting that. Look how beautiful the noodles look. Lump of pork and vegetables. Bit of that soup. Oh yeah. Right, I'm going to crack on and eat this. I'll bring you back when it's time for dessert. I'm sure you don't want to watch me eat all of this. Anyway, back in a minute, guys. Ooh. Not a good idea wearing this colour shirt either. It's one of the shirts that Bruce got for me. Cheers, Mr. Bruce. I'm absolutely done in. I don't know how I'm going to finish it off. It's really filling. Seriously full. Definitely worth it, eh? Won't bother with the onion rings and the nuggets and stuff like that. I'd go straight for the noodles, vegetables and pork. Oh, I don't know what to do, I can't waste it, can I? I'm done in. Really am done in. Whoa. Yeah. Right, I'm going to eat a little bit more. I think that's it. What my grandma used to say, your eyes are too big for your belly. They definitely are today. Oh, look at that. Look how much is in there. Oh, can I do it? Where's Beard Meats Food when you need him? Okay, so there's my bill. That's what's left. Oh, I can't do it. Oh, I can't do it anymore. They should lower the price, I think, and just like make it 100 baht a bowl. 300 for all you can eat. You know, you just make yourself ill eating that much food. I'd be quite happy to pay 100 baht just for a bowl. Oh, I'm done. I'm done in. Get out of there. Ooh, feel done in. Anyway, is it worth it? It's very delicious. I don't know about the price though. Or you can, we've just made like one bowl for 100 baht. That would be perfect. Yeah, 300 baht to eat like a pig. I don't know. Anyway, guys, let me know in the comments what you think. Would you pay 300 baht for all you can eat noodles? I'd rather go to one of them Mugatars, I think. I don't even want to think about food anymore. I'm just going to lie down, sit down, fall down. Anyway, see you later. Bye.